Hey guys, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on our channel episode. Well, today I'm in Minecraft, and this is gonna be the ultimate guide on how to survive your first night in Minecraft. So first, we're gonna do everything as normal. We're gonna go and start chopping down trees, guys. We need some wood. We need some good wood, guys. So make sure you chop down that tree. Okay, guys. Once I got all my wood, I'm gonna use that wood to start crafting stuff. So I'm gonna make a crafting table, guys. So I'm first gonna turn my wood into a crafting table. There we go. And then I'm gonna get some wooden planks, and I'm gonna make some sticks. And now I'm gonna lay down my crafting table, guys. So I'm gonna lay it down there, click on it, and I'm gonna make some pickaxes. Got 2 pickaxes, and I'm pretty good. I would say I'm pretty equipped now to start getting more wood and getting more resources, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna chop down more trees. The reason why I got the pickaxe, guys, is because it's gonna be quicker now to chop down trees, guys. You wanna be quick at this game because at nighttime the zombies come out, so you don't want to get killed. The mobs, zombies, bride comes out, so you guys gotta get ready. Alright, you see how quick that took, guys, just to get all that wood? So I'm just gonna go over here to our tree, guys. Perfect. So the next thing we're gonna want to think of after we're getting some wood, guys, is we need to create a bed, and we need to create like a shelter, and also we need to get some food. So the first thing we get is materials. Then we make a pickaxe with the crafting table. Then we find food. Then we make a bed, and then we find shelter. So for now, I'm gonna go hunting, guys. I'm gonna have to find some sheep. So if we see sheep on the way, that's good. If we see cows, if we see pigs, we're gonna get them all. So we just gotta figure out what we're gonna find for now, guys. So I'm just gonna look around, guys, and see what's going on here. Oh, there's some snow. It's very hard to walk in. Okay. So we can get out of that snow there. Okay, we gotta think like a sheep. If you're a sheep, guys, where would you hide? Like, I think somewhere up high, like somewhere in the hills. I'm gonna chop down this tree, guys. Just want some good wood, guys. Just some extra, guys. Always good to have extra backup wood. Nice. Okay, guys, let's see what we got here. Sometimes it's very tricky to find sheep, to be honest, guys. But we gotta find sheep before the first night. There's a pig, guys. 2 pigs. We can get some bacon. Don't run away, don't run away. Okay, perfect, got bacon. Might just need 1 more bacon. We're gonna have to sacrifice you today. Okay. Oh, this one's a little hard to get. Oh, I got nothing. I guess because if you kill a small pig, you get nothing. Anyways, let's keep looking, guys, for that sheep. And guys, remember, guys, time is not on your side when you're starting off. You really have to find the sheep. Okay, there we go, guys. There we go. Found the sheep. Perfect. Perfecto. Okay. Come on, let's get him. Don't run away. Perfect. Okay. So I got one block of wool. I'm gonna need two more, so I'm gonna need 3 in total. So usually when I find one sheep, I can find another sheep somewhere else, guys. Just gotta keep looking. So there we go. There's another sheep, guys. Perfect. We're gonna get that sheep. My pickaxe ran out, so I'm gonna change over to this pickaxe. It'll be okay. Perfect. And now we're gonna need one more sheep, guys. I know we can do it. We just gotta look hard, guys. And we just gotta be patient, you know? We can't give up. Okay, where is that? Where is it? Come on. Oh. Where is that sheep? Might as well eat something to get my hearts back. Perfecto. I'll eat a little more. Okay, there we go. We got a sheep, guys. Let's get the pickaxe ready. And we got it. Okay, we can't let the sheep go, guys. We gotta make her bed. Perfect, perfect, guys. Okay, so now we might just want one more food. One more. And it's getting dark, guys, so it's getting dark anyway, so we really have to start our base. So I'm just gonna create a little tunnel, guys. And I'm trying to find some coal so I can make a light at least, but if we find it, great. If we don't, it's okay. 'Cause I really need some light. So we're just gonna be mining now, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, for now, guys. I'll chop down a little more trees for now. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna chop down another tree, guys. Might as well as we can. Perfect. Okay, let's go back to our base. We're gonna actually lay down our crafting table inside here. I should probably get a pickaxe. So, I'm gonna lay the crafting table here, guys. Open it up. Gonna make a wooden pickaxe. Okay. We gotta make some sticks now. Perfect. Let's see, can we make a stone? No, not yet. We're gonna have to make a wooden one. So we have everything. Let's make that perfect. We gotta make some oak there. Oak planks. Perfect. Now we can make our axe. We got enough material. We can make that. Okay, nice. Okay, it's getting dark, guys. So anyways, we gotta make our bed pretty quick. So we're gonna start making our bed. And we're gonna make the bed. Okay, we need some more wooden planks. Bed. Perfect, we got our bed. And we're just gonna lay that down, guys, for now. And we're just gonna sleep through the night. I know we have no door yet, guys, but eventually, now we can gather more things because it's daytime and continue on with the journey. I plan to mine more for coal and to build a house, but that's the start, guys. That's how you survive the first